You can design a visually stunning website, but if search engines cannot actually see your images, that effort is wasted. Modern search relies on machine experience, or MX. MX is the way AI search agents and crawler bots perceive your site. Since these bots do not have eyes, they rely exclusively on the text and metadata attached to your images to understand their context. In this tutorial, we will walk through the exact 5-step process to transform a raw camera photo into a fully optimized ADA-compliant asset. ADA stands for the Americans with Disabilities Act, and it requires websites to be accessible to people with disabilities. Bridging the gap between human aesthetics and machine-readable data is a requirement for organic traffic growth. Without this data, search engines cannot index your visuals or display them to potential customers. The first technical step happens before you log into your website. You must select the correct file format and compress the raw image. Follow these formatting rules. Use JPEG for standard photography and PNG for graphics that require transparency. To maximize modern browser performance, consider the WebP format. Large files act as hidden saboteurs that destroy your page loading speeds. Search engines prioritize fast-loading sites, so heavy images will directly lower your rankings. Step 2 is renaming the file directly on your computer desktop prior to uploading it to your site. Never, ever upload default camera file names. A name like img_9482.jpg tells a search engine nothing about the image, wasting a primary opportunity for search ranking. Use this formula for a perfect file name. Exclusively lowercase letters, using exactly 2 to 4 descriptive keywords. You must use hyphens to separate words. Google treats hyphens as word separators, while underscores cause the algorithm to merge the text into one unrecognizable block. Avoid stuffing your file name with keywords. AI algorithms will detect and penalize repetitive, spammy behavior. A properly formatted and intelligently named file completes half of your SEO work before the image is even published. For step 3, move your optimized file into your website's media library or CMS. A CMS, or content management system, is the software used to manage your website content. Always follow the rule of contextual placement. Insert an image immediately next to text that discusses the same subject. Google's AI reads the surrounding paragraph to corroborate the image metadata. This wireframe shows how the search engine verifies that your image and text share the same context. Step 4 focuses on the alt text input field within your CMS dashboard. This is the most critical piece of metadata for any image. The primary purpose of the alt tag is accessibility. It provides a text description that screen readers dictate aloud for users with visual impairments. If an alt tag is missing, a screen reader may read the unoptimized file name instead. Hearing a computer dictate a string of random numbers and hyphens is a confusing and frustrating experience for the user. To write a perfect alt text description, create a 5 to 10 word literal, descriptive summary of the action or subject in the photo. Do not use phrases like image of or picture of. Screen reading software already announces that it is an image, making those words redundant. The alt text fulfills strict legal accessibility standards while simultaneously feeding Google image search the precise context required for high rankings. Step 5 involves the image title tag. These are often confused with alt tags, but they serve a very different purpose. The title tag is a user experience, or UX, enhancement. It has almost no impact on your SEO ranking. The title tag creates a small informational tooltip box that appears when a user's cursor rests on the image. Because title tags do not affect indexing, you should prioritize the alt tag if you are short on time. While title tags add polish for desktop users, the alt tag is the engine driving your site's machine indexing and legal compliance. Your image is now lightweight, accessible, and legible to AI search models. Be aware of technical debt. Older, unoptimized image libraries act as an anchor that slows down your site and erodes your search performance. Spend 15 minutes today auditing the images on your 5 most visited web pages to ensure they follow these rules. Proper image metadata ensures your content ranks for relevant searches and provides a professional experience for every visitor. Contact Vision FX today for a comprehensive SEO analysis.